Eh? What's that? I wonder who it belongs to.
Hey!
Hey! Whoa! So sorry.
Be more careful!
Hey, come back here, you. Morning, JG. Whoa! What is that thing? Is that yours?
Yes. What do you think? It's a drone. I made it in the workshop. Thought I'd give it a test flight.
Wow, JG, that is awesome. Is it meant to be doing that?
Ah!
Look out! Sizzling saucepans.
I think it just needs a little bit of a tweak. See you later, Shane.
No need to mope as you coil your rope. What the hell?
Yeah. Sorry.
Ah.
Shoo! Shoo! It's taken me ages to grow this.
Hi, Maggie. Asparagus ready to harvest, then?
Hi, Shane. Oh, this crow won't leave my crops alone. Get off my asparagus, you'll ruin it.
Oh, no! Get lost, you. We've got to pick that asparagus.
Oh, Shane! Shane, watch out for the bucket and the hose pipe.
Ah!
No!
Shoo! Come on, get away with you. Come on, get... Hey! Ah!
Watch out, Shane! That's fresh compost. Oh, dear.
I hope JG's having more luck with his drone.
I'm back. You need a tweak. Oh, calamity.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Right. I need something quick, simple and fresh. Tomatoes, onions, yes. Chop them up. And bosh! Into the pan, add the stock, then a little seasoning. And there you go, tomato soup, back of the oven.
Oh.
So, JG, how's the soup?
Excellent. In fact, you could say your soup is superb.